Hey everyone, want to bring your AI art to life? Here's how to animate your art using Leonardo.AI and Runway ML. Let's get started. First, go to Leonardo.AI, then here in the dashboard, click on the image generation. Then here, type your prompt, like this example prompt here. And once typing, click generate and download your favorite output. Then, the next step is to go to runwayml.com and sign up for free. Then here, import the image that you created in Leonardo AI and use a motion brush to paint where the motion will appear, or use a text to motion and type a prompt like this. And once done typing, you can adjust the settings, tweak the motion strength, duration, and frame rate to match your vibe. And once you're happy with the animation, you can now export it in MP4 or GIF, perfect for TikTok, Reels, or music videos. And that's how you animate AI art using Leonardo AI and Runway ML. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.